See?
What's his name?
Bentley.
Bentley?
So she sits down with him. If you can't beat him, join him.
That's right. Bentley's decided to stay a while.
That's hilarious.
Hey, Bentley, taking a break?
Good dog.
Soft, Mama, feel them.
Yeah, I know they're soft.
They're so soft.
Look up. Clear the road, buddy. Phyllis, come here. Up, up, up. Over here, over this side. Come here. Come here. Legs up.
He's 140 pounds.
145 pounds. And up, up. Here, here, here. Don't do this. Ah. No, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Leave it. Hey! Hey! Up! Up! Come here! Up, 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 up! Good boy! Good boy! My baby! My good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Oh!
This from you, Socks. This is Piper Street in downtown Baghdad. A man in a grey jacket is walking along the pavement, smoking a lot and holding a bunch of notes in his hand. Just in front of Sharifi is a Baghdad. Things are good. Security.
He'll sit on you.
I have a face full of butt, Daddy.
You're a beautiful puppy.
Yeah, he's a good boy. He's
Now, Layden is female, right?
Hey, boy.
Are you gonna have puppies?